A Cebu-based mural art group is turning church ceilings into hand-painted masterpieces despite the physical challenges of working high above the ground. Mobile journalist Francis Rivera has this report.
A group of mural artists from Cebu is catching people's attention with their unique artworks. This time, their canvas is the ceiling. They are the Dibuho Kisame crew. The word dibuho refers to visual representation such as a drawing, sketch, or design. It can also mean to create or build something. From painting simple walls, the group has now moved to ceilings, including the ceilings of churches. They hand paint each mural, creating detailed and impressive artworks by hand.
Great things start from small beginnings. Pero pag lagyan mo buhusan mo ng pagmamahal, manganganak eh. Yung iba kasi yung modern ngayon, ginagawa nila, ipapaprint na sila ng tarpaulin or gano'n, tapos, or ginagawa sa baba, pinapaint, tapos ini-install na lang. So, privilege sa amin na naka-testing kami, and we thought isa lang yun. Ngayon, umabot na ng 4 na church. Ika-4 na kami ngayon, thank God.
It may look simple, but what they do up above is no easy task. They spend almost the entire day painting while looking up, making the work both physically demanding and time-consuming. Each church project can take more than a year to complete, depending on the size and complexity of the artwork.
Yung pain at saka yung heat, mainit talaga yung klima sa taas kasi hot air goes up, diba? Naiipon siya. Tapos wala na mga windows dun sa area niyan. So, parang mahirap guminhawa. Maglagay pa kami ng mga fans, mainit pa rin yung hangin. Pagod. Mag-burn out ka, pero pag mahal mo yung trabaho mo, hindi mo pwede iwanan eh.
On top of the physical demands of their work, leading and managing the team is another challenge for the head of the Dibuho Kisame crew, especially because their job requires long hours, patience, and a great deal of dedication.
Mahirap kasi maybe somewhere in the middle of the project merong susurrender. Nasanay na ako na never give up eh. Kailangan tapusin. Diba?
For Aris, the key is to never give up on the things we love. With enough effort, determination, and heart, we can turn our passion into something meaningful.
Kahit anong trabaho, lagyan natin ng puso. At yung produkto, suwabe.
Kapatid, mobile journalist Francis Rivera, we are One News.